My people, this right here tastes better than your regular expensive pizza. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious meal at home. So I'm starting out by adding oil in the pot. I am using coconut oil. You can use sunflower oil or groundnut oil. I added grated carrots. I added tomato. I added yellow bell pepper. And I also went in with red bell pepper. I also added sausage on it. Then I'm just going to give it a little bit of stir, and then I went in with my spices, and then I'm going to give it a little bit of stir again, and then I'll cover it to steam for about 3 minutes. So this is another way I trick my children to eat vegetable. So I'm just going to keep it aside, and then I'm going with 4 eggs. I added milk, give it a stir, and then I'm going to be adding crayfish and other spices that I needed for this, which I'm going to be listing in the description box. Mix it very well, and then I went in with my grated potato. I added 1 cup of flour. And then I'm going to mix it up nicely. Make sure you mix it until all the ingredients go in smoothly, just like what you're seeing now. Next, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and then I'll mix it up. Once I'm done mixing it, I'm going to be adding the vegetable, and then I'm going to mix it up together nicely. If you're going to be trying this at home, let me know in the comment section. Honestly, this tastes better than the pizza we used to buy. So next, I'm going to transfer it into my baking pan. Then I'm going to make sure I spread it around until it covers the baking pan. Then I'm going to put it in the oven to bake for about 10 minutes. This evening, I was just wondering what the kids are going to eat differently for dinner. So guys, after 10 minutes, I brought it out from the oven. I spread cheese on top of it, and then I top it up with sausage. You can use chicken, you can use meat. So I'm using what I have at home. I put it back in the oven for 5 minutes, and then this is how it looks. It really came out nice. The kids were just waiting. Look at them behind me, waiting to try it. I'm just going to cut it into 4, and then I'm going to test it. Guys, this is way better than the pizza you used to buy. You can try this at home as well. Just take a look at this. It really came out nice. I love the cheese. I love the color. When I tasted it, oh my goodness, it was heavenly, guys. The taste was amazing. Is this something I'll try again? Yes, I'm going to try it again because I really love it. Instead of buying expensive pizza in the shop, why not try this at home? You are going to like it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and please help me to share this video. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't get to miss out on recipes like this. Bye.